Not only does StoneStrong make efficient use of your existing equipment, it eliminates the intense labor required to assemble small block retaining walls. Nothing else comes close to installing a StoneStrong systems wall. When excavating the base trench, take caution to not over-excavate beyond the depth needed. Level the base trench with 9 inches of well-compacted 3/4 to 1 inch angular aggregate fill. StoneStrong units are put in place using the lift alignment loops. Setting the unit side by side on the prepared base creates the base course of the wall. Leveling each unit in the base course is critical for accurate and acceptable results. Be sure to check the installation guide for minimum convex or concave radius for your specific installation. Using 3/4 to 1 inch free draining angular fill material contributes to the overall connection strength of the StoneStrong units and provides the built-in drainage system. The angular fill locks the units together, allowing for taller gravity walls. It is estimated that rock infill for installation is 1.7 cubic yards. When backfilling, it is recommended to fill in 8-inch lifts. Compact soils to 95% standard Proctor compaction using only small equipment within 3 feet of the wall. Units will automatically align from front to back when set over the lifting and alignment loops on the course below, also providing an automatic 4-inch setback. StoneStrong units can be installed 9 to 12 feet high without the need for tiebacks or additional mechanics depending on site and soil conditions. GeoGrid is being installed on this engineered wall because of a heavy surcharge and a parking lot above. GeoGrid shall be installed as required by the engineered drawings. Be sure to have all walls over 9 feet reviewed by a licensed engineer. StoneStrong top blocks are recessed units that are designed to finish off the wall by allowing soil to be placed directly behind the face of the top course, allowing for planting on top of the units or installation of street utilities or fencing. Your StoneStrong system wall is completed and in place. This 2-man crew was able to lay 1,000 square feet per day. It is that fast and easy. Be sure to consult the installation guide and please feel free to contact us with any of your installation questions.